Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to make a pie chart in Excel. Nonverbal representations are an amazing and innovative way to educate people on very intricate details. There are a variety of nonverbal presentations to present data. Among them, the most popular form of nonverbal cues is the pie chart. Let us see how to create a pie chart. First, select the data you are using for the pie chart. Go to Insert under Charts. Select the Pie Chart option. You can choose between different pie charts from the drop-down. Click on the pie chart of your choice. The chart gets added in the center of the sheet. We have successfully created a pie chart in Excel. Creating a pie chart in Excel is so simple. You can now easily portray complex numeric data in an easily understandable form. You can move or resize the chart and place it wherever you want. Additionally, you can also give an in-depth representation of any segment. Simply click on the chart. Select the area you want to highlight, and drag the area a little out to the pie chart. Now let us see how to customize the pie chart. Excel offers you the liberty to customize your pie chart to your preferences. You can change the colors, font, style, and fields to your liking. You can customize the pie chart by directly clicking on it. This shows 3 icons towards the right of the chart. They provide important options to customize your pie chart. The first option is called Chart Elements. This helps you customize the text in the chart. You can change the position of the chart title, add or change the position of the labels, or choose to position the legends to appear. There is an option called More Options. Clicking this opens up a Format Chart Title pop-up, which provides you in-depth additional customizing options to the chart. The second element is the Style and Color options. This helps you change the background layout of the pie chart. You can also customize the color of the areas within the pie chart. Customizing the colors and backgrounds helps in providing an appealing look to the chart and makes it easier to present them. The final element to customize your pie chart is the Filter option. This helps you choose which elements to show on the pie chart. That is all, folks. In this video, we saw how to make a pie chart in Excel. We also showed you how to customize it based on your preferences. If you have any queries, please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. We are always happy to help you. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full blog article that this video came from, please click over there, and click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.